Welcome to Danny's Den, and today we will dive into the issues of the day regarding love, parenting, sports, and/or pop culture. Let's chat. Picture this. Sunday, jerseys on, snacks on the coffee table, and then the knock turns into officers at the door. Phones fly, kids freeze, and a routine afternoon becomes chaos. Stay with me for the next 10 minutes, and I'll give you clear, practical steps. Safety first, simple scripts you can actually say, and ways to keep a little normal for the kids. Quick promise. You'll get a screenshot checklist, exact lines to use with kids in schools, and low-effort routine hacks, plus when to call a lawyer or a counselor. This is orientation, not a substitute for local legal advice. First thing, safety. If anyone's in immediate danger, call 911. If the arrest already happened and everyone's physically okay, get a trusted adult to the kids now. A relative, a neighbor, someone on your emergency list. Say, I need you to come now. The kids need someone who knows their schedule. Keep the kids away from the scene and out of view of officers so they don't overhear confusing details. Next, secure documents. Grab IDs, custody orders, school and medical forms. If you can't get the originals, snap photos right away. Driver's license, birth certificate, custody papers, insurance card. Phone pics are fine. And write down who you called and when. A quick word about evidence. Preserve texts, voicemails, and screenshots if they're relevant. But don't delete anything and don't tell others to hide messages. Tampering can make things worse. Instead, make copies, note timestamps, and keep the originals if possible. Let's be blunt. Bail is temporary, and rules change by county. Ask the booking agency who handled the arrest and how to reach the jail clerk for bail details. If bail isn't an option, move fast on custody. File an emergency or temporary custody motion so someone has legal authority for the kids while the criminal case moves forward. Call a family lawyer for that, and a criminal defense lawyer about the arrest. If you don't have names, try your local bar association referral line. I know it's a lot. 3 calls to focus on, in order. 1. Call someone to be with the kids now. 2. Call a family lawyer about emergency custody. 3. Call a criminal defense lawyer about bail and the arrest.
You might think, who do I call first? Call someone to be with the kids now, then call a family lawyer, then a criminal defense lawyer. Keep it short. Keep a note of names and times.
Words with kids should be short and truthful. Try, Mom/Dad isn't coming home right now. You are safe. We're getting someone to take care of you and your routine. Repeat the safe facts. Meals, bedtime, game time. Kids need concrete promises, not speculation. Calls to school or daycare should be factual and on the record. A parent was detained. The child will be with caregiver game. Please release only to listed emergency contacts. Keep messages calm and short, so there's a clear paper trail. When you talk to the other parent or family, give facts and next steps, where the kids are, who's with them, and what you'll do next. Avoid emotional back and forth in texts. It can be used later in court. If there's a safety risk, prioritize protective steps and contact domestic violence resources for help with emergency custody and safety planning. Rituals matter. If Sundays were Eagles time or weeknights were Yankees nights, keep the shell of that ritual. Put on the same playlist, keep the snacks, wear the same jersey. If the usual host isn't there, give someone a tiny new role. Halftime snack person, playlist DJ, scoreboard reader. Those small tasks help kids feel useful and study. Music is a quick reset. For little kids, pick predictable sing-along R&B or upbeat hip-hop they know. For teens, a soft 90s R&B or mid-2000s hip-hop mix can calm without overstimulating. For families who grew up on 80s 2000s pop, a 5-song loop of familiar hits becomes its own cue. When that loop plays, we do the routine. Use music deliberately. It signals safety. A few final safety reminders. Don't delete texts. Don't tell people to hide evidence. And don't sign anything at the station you don't understand. Photo a paper folder labeled emergency
with contacts, custody papers, insurance, and school info. If children show trauma signs, clinginess, nightmares, sudden behavior changes, contact a trauma-informed counselor.
Quick checklist to screenshot. 1. Ensure physical safety and get an adult with the kids. 2. Photograph IDs and custody docs. 3. Call a family lawyer and a criminal lawyer. 4. Notify school with a factual release plan. 5. Keep routines, snacks, jerseys, music. 6. Seek trauma support if kids show distress. Keep this where you can reach it fast.
A quick personal note. I've seen families find stability in tiny choices. A halftime snack handed to a kid, the same 5-song playlist, a calm call to an aunt who knows how to soothe. Those small acts protect a child's world while the legal system sorts itself out. If you need legal help specific to your case, email Danielle at thelegalassistancecenter.net to book a free 30-minute consultation, and we'll see if I can help.
Thanks for listening to Danny's Den. If this episode helped, please subscribe. It helps the show reach other families who need practical law, parenting, sports, and music advice. Drop a comment with topics you want covered, or an anonymized question I can answer in a future episode. And if you're dealing with an arrest right now, prioritize safety, document everything, and contact local counsel. Let's chat.